I'm going to use these little separator cups. You don't have to. I'm just going to put a few in here for the purpose of the demonstration. And then we have our cinnamon rolls that, as you can see, are raw and just popped open. You can put more in, but during the demonstration of 2 hours, maybe you want to stretch out your food because you're literally just demonstrating. And that's it. Now, as long as you're pointing towards the sun, load up, leave it for 25 minutes or so, check the cinnamon rolls occasionally, and then you're done. Okay, the other question that we get commonly asked that you'll need to be able to answer during a demonstration is, how do you clean it? It's a great question. It's really, really simple. As we've already said, carry Windex because the outside is simply cleaned using Windex. It never gets hot on the outside, so it's always safe to handle. And these are just the solar reflectors. Now, if you get any spillage inside the tube, and these are the instructions in the handbook that comes with the Sport model, when the tube is fully cool, simply soap and water. You can rinse it like this, tip it, rinse it and tip it. It comes with its own custom designed screw-on scrubby, and to help with the cleaning, you simply plunge inside with the warm soapy water. What about the tray? The tray, the handle does detach, and the tray can be cleaned as big as your sink is, or if your dishwasher will fit it. This is food grade stainless steel. Use the scrubby or some wire wool or anything you've got lying around. But what about the grill? The grill is the same. Outside, clean with Windex on the tube and the reflectors. The inside, the pans will definitely go in the dishwasher or scrub them with the same materials and soap in the kitchen that you'd find in most kitchens. Here's the tray. Unscrew it. Put that in the bag. We have this great GoSun shoulder bag here. Close up the reflectors. Unhook the little S hooks here. Fold it up. Put it in the bag. Zip it up, and away you go.